Chapter 1. The End of Bipolarity. The Berlin Wall, which had been built on the 9th of November 1961, was the greatest symbol of Cold War that was top-led by the public in 1989. On December 25, 1991, the Soviet Union disintegrated into 15 republics. Birth of the Soviet Union, Soviet system. After the Russian Bolshevik Revolution of 1917, the Union of Socialist Soviet Republics came into existence. A centralized plan for the creation of an egalitarian society in the Soviet Union, a system based on state control and guided by the Communist Party, was identified as the Soviet system. Features of the Soviet system. The Soviet system was inspired by the ideals of socialism as opposed to the capitalist system. The Soviet system had a planned economy. The Communist Party was dominant. The facility of minimum standard of living was available to all citizens. There was lack of unemployment. Advanced communication system. The dominant form of ownership is the ownership of the state. State control over the means of production. Second World. The countries of Eastern Europe were put on the lines of the socialist system. These socialist countries were called the Second World. Mikhail Gorbachev and reforms. In the 1980, Mikhail Gorbachev adopted political reforms and democratization. Mikhail Gorbachev implemented economic reforms in the name of restructuring, perestroika, and openness, glasnost. On December 25, 1991, under the leadership of Boris Yeltsin, the countries of Eastern Europe and Russia, Ukraine and Belarus announced the end of the Soviet Union. Commonwealth of Independent States, CIS. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, 15 new countries emerged, and all these countries formed an intergovernmental organization whose membership was voluntary. It was called the Commonwealth of Independent States, CIS. It is a union that maintains the movement of trade, labor and goods between its member countries. Main reasons for the disintegration of the Soviet Union. Failure to fulfill the aspirations of the citizens. Bureaucracy control on the Soviet system. Political control of the Communist Party. Maximum use of resources on nuclear weapons. Lagging behind in technology and infrastructure compared to the countries of the West. Russia's dominance. Opposition to the reforms made by Gorbachev. Stagnation of the economy and shortage of consumer goods. Rise of nationalist sentiments and desire for sovereignty. Authoritarianism of the Soviet system. Communist Party not being accountable to the public. Consequences of the disintegration of the Soviet Union. The Cold War conflict ended. Rise of a unipolar world, i.e., American hegemony. End of the arms race. The end of the Soviet bloc and the rise of 15 new countries. Russia became the successor of the Soviet Union. Changes in power relations in world politics. There was a question mark on socialist ideology. Domination of the capitalist liberal system. Shock therapy. The literal meaning of shock therapy is to treat by giving shock. After the fall of communism, the republics of the former Soviet Union went through a painful transition from an authoritarian socialist system to a democratic capitalist system. In Russia, the republics of Central Asia and the countries of Eastern Europe, a special model of transition to capitalism was adopted, which was called shock therapy. This model was guided by the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. Features of shock therapy. Private ownership as the dominant form of ownership. Privatization of state property. Private farm instead of collective farm. Adoption of free trade system. Mutual convertibility of currencies. Integration with the economic system of Western countries. Apart from capitalism, no alternative system was accepted. Consequences of shock therapy. Russia's industrial structure collapsed. Economic results were not favorable. Heavy fall in the Russian ruble. End of the old system of social welfare. World's largest garage sale. 90% of the industries were sold to private hands at throwaway prices. Increase in economic inequality. Food crisis. Rise of the mafia class. Due to non-building of democratic institutions, weak parliament and more powers to the president, due to which the rise of authoritarian presidents rule. Areas of conflict and tension. Most of the republics of the former Soviet Union remained areas prone to conflict and increased interference by external forces in these countries. Violent separatist movements took place in Chechnya and Dagestan, two republics of Russia. In Eastern Europe, Czechoslovakia split into two parts, Czech and Slovakia. Balkan region. The Balkan republics of Yugoslavia split into several provinces due to civil war, including Bosnia-Herzegovina, Slovenia and Croatia declaring themselves independent. Baltic region. Lithuania in the Baltic region declared itself independent in March 1990. Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania became members of the United Nations in 1991 and joined NATO in 2004. Central Asia. The civil war continued for 10 years, i.e. till 2001 in the country of Central Asia, Tajikistan. There is also a state of civil war in Azerbaijan, Armenia, Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan and Georgia. Central Asian republics have vast reserves of petroleum. For this reason, this area has also become the arena of competition of external forces and oil companies. India's relations with Russia and other former communist countries. India has good relations with former communist countries, especially with Russia. Both Russia and India dream of a multipolar world. Both countries believe in coexistence, collective security, territorial sovereignty, independent foreign policy, settlement of international disputes through dialogue, strengthening of the United Nations and democracy. In the year 2001, 80 bilateral agreements were signed by India and Russia. India is a big buyer of Russian arms. Oil is imported from Russia. Russia helps in nuclear planning and space planning. 4. Political science bara. There have been efforts to increase energy imports with Kazakhstan and Turkmenistan. Indian artists are especially liked in Uzbekistan.